Valley Career and Technical Center, located in Augusta County, Virginia, is the premier CTE center. While we have a wide variety of courses available, it is our hope that these series of videos will help you find your pathway to the future.
Good morning and welcome to the Carpentry Department here at Valley Career and Technical Center. My name is Brad Bryan and I am the carpentry instructor here. We do both Carpentry 1 and Carpentry 2. Our juniors usually learn through hand driving nails and just getting after it and building walls and starting to build a house. Our seniors usually lay the house out and make sure that everything is the way it's supposed to be through their experience. I come to this department from my own general contracting, Class A contractor's license that I still carry, that has transferred over to becoming a teacher. I always felt like my best calling was to take the knowledge that I had about carpentry and the industry and share it with young people and try to create the employees that I always desired.
Hi, I'm Connor McDaniel and I go to Fort Defiance High School. I took carpentry at VCTC this year because I thought it was very interesting and I see it as a career path. And I want to take everything I learned from here and hopefully use it in my future as a job or just knowledge.
One potential pathway that the two-year carpentry program here at VCTC could lead to is a carpenter. After learning how to build a house from the ground up, the earning potential using your carpentry skills is driven by your own motivation. The sky can be the limit. If you think our carpentry program would be a good fit for you and your aspirations, contact us further to learn about shadowing opportunities, tours, and application dates.